Alright, scrappers, so today I'm going to be doing a bit of alchemy. We're going to turn the dirty brass into some clean stuff. I'll show you. And I've actually got a huge bucket. You can't actually see it on the camera, but I've got a huge bucket of water. It's got basic washing up liquid and a bit of coke. So this is what you got. You can see there's some tarnishing. Now we're only going to get type 2 for that. It's not as much. We could be getting type 1 instead, a bit more cash in your pocket. So I'll just show you today how we do it. I'll just get one of these wire brushes. Just give that a scrub up and down, and I'll show you the result after. Now I've had this in here for about 5 days now. It's coming off a lot easier than before. Like I did it a few hours. It wasn't as easy as this. This is lovely. So leave it in for about a week. Bit of coke, bit of washing up liquid. Give it a bit of a clean off. It's shining up nice. Look at that. She is beautiful. But look for the end parts though. You'll see a lot of tarnishing. Buffer that out, alright? It's worth it if you've got some time to do this. I mean, I do. Well, not really, but I enjoy it. I like to get a bit more money. People go, you only get an extra 40 cents a kilo, but when you're running a business, every extra dollar into your business is making a difference, you know what I mean? So that's what you're going to do. So just buffer off the ends. I've got glasses on today. I'm not trying to do a Bonner impression. There's a bit of sun coming through, so I just don't want to go blind. So what you do, you just angle it and just go like that on the ends, because the end parts are the worst parts. And a wire brush doesn't cost a lot. It costs $2. And a good indicator, most normal sized pipe, like this is not normal, this is a little bit smaller than normal. 4 normal sized pipes is about 1 kilo. So that's what you're gonna think. So for every 4 of these normal sized pipes you clean, you'll make an extra 40 cents, which is okay. I'm just giving you the tips because some people want to do this, some people just can't be bothered. And you know, for those people, I don't blame you, but I'm just chasing a bit of extra cash, you know. This is my source of income, so I'm gonna earn as much as I can. You know, the good thing about scrapping is you rely on yourself, you don't have to rely on others. Working for someone else, you know, it's not the funnest. Even with this, you know, I listen to some music, chill out, making some extra cash. Just put some coke in there, cheap stuff. I found this coke called LA Ice. It's like ghetto coke. LA Ice. That was the coke I found. It was like $1 for a bottle, a 2 litre bottle. You just pour it in. You know, just have only a little dash of it, just a dash, really, boy, and then you'll start stripping it. It's shining up nice already. I'll show you the after effect. I've got my scientist looking gloves on. Just honestly wear these because you don't want to get eczema and you'll annoy everyone in your family going, my eczema hurts. Because honestly you will get eczema. People want me saying, you know, why are you going to get scratches on it? They won't care about the scratches. All we're going for is the colour. So we're in a nice rose gold colour. Check the pipe as well for any tarnishing. I hate tarnishing. And they can destroy your profit very easily looking at tarnishing like that. I mean, I tried to do it with a sander, a palm sander. It worked okay, but it just wasn't economical. I think if copper goes up to something like $8 a kilo Australian, it's not like $6 American, it might be worth it. But even, you'd have to get about 100 sander pads, 10 cents a pop, to make about 50 cents for every one you do. And online, you're only getting them for about 40 cents, and it's just not worth it, you know. You're making 12 cents a kilo. It's just not worth it. Whereas this way, you're not spending too much, you know. You'll spend $2 on a 2 litre bottle of Coke. You can use about 200 mils in this with a very liquid and a bit of water. And what are these? $2. This will do everything in his bucket. And then some. I like it. There's something therapeutic about watching all the dirt get cleansed from this. It's going to cleanse the filth from this pipe. I mean, you can do as well, put a separate bucket here, just a clean water bucket, dip it in. Now, show you what we got. Look at this. Look at the shine on this. This is beautiful. So now you can see, even on the ends, it's all clear, looks good. See, you can even see a bit of the writing from where it was originally created. That is good. That's what we want. That is type 1 now. All day long. That's just an idea for you guys. You want to earn a bit of cash, get yourself a huge bucket so you look like a modern looking witch or wizard. Knock some fairy liquid in there. That's what we call it in England. You call it dish soap or washing liquid. Into this bucket. The bucket's probably a 20 litre bucket of water. put about 200 mils, 250 mils of Coke in it. Your Ghetto Coke's the best, your LA Ice, and then you'll end up with this. Extra 40 cents a kilo, you know, $4 for 10 kilos, and 40 for 100, so it all adds up, guys. Every dollar in your pocket is better than in someone else's, you know, and it grows your business. If you like this, smash the like I've smashed all this dirty copper into the bucket. Click the notification bell for more of my videos. I want some recommendations in my videos. What do you guys want to see? Have you guys found a better way to do this than I have? Let me know in the comments. So guys, keep scrapping and I'll see you next week.